if you're looking for a budget-friendly microphone for your content creation, or maybe you just want to upgrade your current microphone like I wanted to do, because I already have this particular microphone that I'm using to make this video, and I also have another one over there that I bought before this one, and you just wanted to upgrade to a better one with better sound quality, you might want to watch this video till the end, because in this video I am going to be reviewing the Ulanzi A30 microphone. And the truth of the matter is, this video I'm just doing it because it was really a struggle looking for budget-friendly content creation gadgets. Okay, I even made several posts about it, ranting and lamenting, like the people I'm ranting to are the cause of my inability to afford, the kind of content gadgets that I want. But in this video, I am going to be focusing on microphones. Okay, like I said, so I'm going to be reviewing the Ulanzi A30 microphone. I want to actually use it to replace this microphone. And the funny thing is that this particular microphone, even though it's on a budget, it's not even cheap. I got this microphone about 80,000 naira thereabouts. But then again, sometimes the sound quality will be good, sometimes the sound quality will not be good. It's all these unbranded microphones, like it's a no-name brand, something like that. So sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't work. So I don't really like it, and I've been looking for microphones that I can actually buy to upgrade my content creation. And let me not lie to you guys, I wanted to buy the Boya Magic mic. I saw it a while back, I fell in love with it, but it was still too expensive for me because I have bills to pay, rent to pay, a lot of things to pay for. And I'm like, come on, is it even that deep? Like, is it that deep? Microphone, like, it's not supposed to be that deep. So if you're on the budget, you have less than 100,000 naira that you want to spend on a microphone, and you want good quality sound, because I'm hoping that the Ulanzi A30 mic would have good sound quality compared to the one I'm currently using and the other one over there that I bought before this one. Stick around to the end of this video and watch this video so that you can make your decision. And please, this video was not sponsored by Ulanzi or anybody. Okay, I'm just making it because I know the struggle I went through, searching, trying to see, like, just get value for my money this time around, because I'm just tired of buy. And at the end of the day, it's like, oh, I think I want another one. Even though I still have it in mind, I'm going to still upgrade my microphone later. I want to get those, Shure mic or Rode mic, those podcast ones with those hams and all that stuff. Of course, I can't afford it right now because I want to get a branded one, like the one with brand, like maybe Rode, Shure, or all those stuffs. And it's quite expensive. You're getting like 400k, 500k, and like I beg. I am not ready for that commitment right now. And that was why I wanted to actually go for the Boya mic. But then on the long run, I felt like at the end of the day, I might even still need to upgrade this Boya mic, and it is still expensive. Do I really need to spend that much? Why don't I just go for something on a budget that will still give me the sound quality that I want, pending the time when I will upgrade to those other microphones? And as God will have it, I found the Ulanzi A30 TinyMic, like they call it. So in this video, we're going to be unboxing it together. Like, I have not even removed it from the pouch. You guys see, like, it is still in the this thing I got it with, it's still in the, is it mailing bag they call this thing? So I'm going to be tearing the nylon right now in you people's presence. We're going to unbox it, remove it from the box, and test it. I'm going to switch the microphones in between this video, and then we're now going to, you guys will be the judge, literally, because I've already bought it, and it's not like I can return it. It is not returnable. So you guys will now be like, okay, it's actually a good upgrade, or maybe it's a bad upgrade, or hey God, I beg, God forbid. Anyways, we're going to be doing this together. So I'm going to tear this up right now, and then we'll get right into it. Okay, let's start. By the way, I got it from Camera Joint, in case you want to buy yours. Okay, I got it from Camera Joint, and yeah, let's continue with the video. Let's take now. So here is the microphone. I have removed it from the mini nylon. Now let us open this from the, let us take this out of the carton. So let us get something to quickly cut the nylon, okay? So I got the blade to test open, and then we can see what's inside. Let me check from here. Okay, that's what I'm doing. Let me check from here. Oh, let's get to use the blade. See now. Okay, so look at. Oh!
It feels so good to actually tear off nylons yourself and, you know, unbox things like this. You literally just feel like a baby that they just gave their favorite candy and all of that stuff. Anyways, the nylon is now off. Let us get right into it. Wow, 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 wow. You guys are even the first to see what's inside because I literally opened it like this. So let me see myself. Okay, so this is it, guys. This is it. I hope you guys can see it. So this is it. The Ulanzi. It says Ulanzi TinyMic A30 wireless lavalier microphone. So opening it up, I'm wasting too much time. Opening it up, this is what you get. So I have this here. Let me be putting it down. So guys, this is the manual that came with it in the box after I removed it. And this manual literally feels like a textbook. I don't know if I'm going to be reading it. This is the manual. So this is the cover, the manual. Let's be placing it like this. Now this is Ulanzi certificate. Upon inspection and test, this product is qualified. So this is like the Ulanzi certificate. I don't know. This is my first time of getting a Ulanzi product. So I guess this comes with every of their products. I don't know. We also have these cards in the box. I don't know. They are like stickers. I guess you can actually stick this on the microphone itself. So if you want, so there's two. If you just want it, you can stick it on your microphone, I guess. So they gave you this. Now this is what we have left in the box. Let us bring everything out, okay? So in here, this is I think the mic and the charging case. Yeah, this is it. And opening for that, this thing just so you know. So let me be showing you guys something now. Wait, let me just face this thing. So this. There's nothing inside anymore, but in here is something like a pouch. So this says Ulanzi, as you guys can see. So something like this pouch here. Let me put it here. Then there's something else here. I'm guessing this is like the cable to charge. This is so hard to remove. So this is the charging cable. Now let's see what's in the black Ulanzi bag or pouch because I don't think it's qualified for the bag. Let me pour it out. So this is like the camera cover. I know that thing that used to cover the camera. So this came in the bag. This was in the bag. So we have two of this in the bag, and then we have this. Let me open it up. Okay. So this is like an extra casing for the microphone. Okay, this is the magnet. This is the magnet that you use to clip it on your chest, on your body, literally. So let me open it. Yeah, this is the magnet. So it has two magnets. Oh, this is like another case. So it came with 4 extra. I don't know. Let me open it. I'm doing a review video for the first time for something like this. So please take me as I am. I'm not really good at these things. But yeah, 2 extra. That one was white. This one is now black. So you can customize it however you want. Well, this is packaging is nice, man. Okay, I'm guessing this is the OTG for iPhone. Yeah, this is the OTG for iPhone, but it's really not coming up. You know? Guys, this is hard to remove. No, I don't spoil the nylon. Yeah, like I guess this is the OTG for the iPhones, okay? So now this is the mic itself with the charging case. Let us open it and see what's inside. I have to give it up for them. Their packaging is so serious. It's not that deep now. So this is it. Ulanzi. I hope you guys can actually see it.
So this is it after I opened it up. And of course, in here we have the 2 microphones because it's a dual mic. And then we have the one that you're going to be attaching to your phone or to your camera. So we have this one here. This one, which is the one you're going to attach to your phone or to your camera. It has this thing. You can use it to put it in your camera. Clip it on top of your camera, okay? And then the 2 microphones, which is this one and this one. There is this thing here that is covering up the place that's supposed to contact, that's supposed to be the contact to the charging case. Okay, so I'm going to remove the nylon. Look at, I'm going to remove the nylon, as you can see. I'm going to remove the nylon so that we can expose that part. Okay, so I removed it for both. Then this is the magnetic, this thing, remove it as well. Here as well, we're going to remove this. So now we have converged this Ulanzi microphone. It's time for us to test it. So let me put it on. Putting it on is another thing. I don't know how to put it on. And I'm ready to read the manual, but I'm not going to figure it out. So as I open the case, this green light here came on. So I'm just going to put it back now and see what's going to happen. Put this back as well. I've not removed this blue thing. I'll do that later. So how do I place it? Okay, you have to make sure you're placing it in the right direction. It even has like a magnetic stuff, so it magnets it. Okay, let me close it back. Now once I close it back, this green light thing is on. So I don't know. Does that mean, is it on? Let me put it on now. Okay, putting it on now. It has this yellow light, and I guess the yellow light is telling me maybe the battery is low. I need to charge it, but I'm just going to quickly do a test run before I go and charge it. Or maybe, should I charge it first? They will come back to it. You know what? Let me just charge it for like 10 minutes, and they will come back to it. So I charged the mic for about 15 minutes. We're just going to use it to test run the sound, and then later I'm going to do another video for the sound because I want it to charge properly before I start using it fully. But for now, let us just take it out of the charging and test the sound quality. So the sound you're going to be hearing next will be coming straight from the microphone. Okay, so let's get right into it. Okay, opening it came on, and now the mic is having green lights. The other time it was having like faint yellow lights, but now it's on green light. So I'm guessing that green light means the mic is now connected, but we're going to test it now. So I'm just going to take this out of the case, take this out, and take this out. And so let's use it. So I'm going to connect this to my camera now. Then I'm going to change the sound. Then we're going to know if the sound quality is better compared to the other
this current one I'm currently using right now. Okay, so let me go and do the changeover.
So the sound you are hearing right now is from the Ulanzi microphone, and I do hope it is actually picking sound because I'm using it for the very, very first time on my camera, and I didn't even do anything. I just went to plug it in into the camera and removed the one that was there before, which is actually this one that was there before. I removed it and I just plugged the Ulanzi transmitter in there, and I'm talking with it. So I hope it is giving what it is supposed to give. Even me myself, I don't know until I play back this video and while editing, then I'm going to know. So you yourself, you're listening to it right now. What do you think of the sound quality compared to the former microphone that I was using? Let me know in the comment section, guys. So right now, I am also going to be testing the sound quality on my mobile device. So I'm going to be attaching the transmitter. I'm going to remove it from the camera and put it on my smartphone and see how it sounds on my smartphone, and also attach it to this video so that you guys will be the judge and let me know if it sounds better on the smartphone, sounds better on the camera, or it's just the same thing. Guys, I literally don't know how this thing sounds like. I am using this for the very first time. As you guys can see, I did all of it in you guys' presence. And let me know in the comment section what you think about the Ulanzi A30 mini mic. In the comment section, let me know, did I waste money or it's actually a good buy? Let me see you in the comment section. And I'll see you guys in my next video. I'm just going to wrap it up here because I'm going to do another one testing just sound later. So I'm going to be wrapping up this video here and I'll attach how it sounds like on my smartphone to the end of this video. And this is what it sounds like on the phone. Let me know what you think. The sound on the phone and the sound on the camera, is it the same thing to you? Do you like it? Let me know in the comment section. And guys, don't forget, I'm still going to do a proper full review because the noise cancellation, I don't even know if it's currently on noise cancellation or it's not on noise cancellation. I really don't know. I just I just took it out of the box and then I just started using it. So let me know what you guys think of the sound quality in the comment section. And then I'll see you guys in the next one, I guess. Guys, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. And also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Tap on the bell icon, turn on post notifications for all of my videos so that when I drop the next video where I am going to be doing the full sound review, because I've not even figured out the noise cancellation yet and I've not really touched anything on this microphone. I just picked it out from the box and used it, and you guys are literally the first set of people hearing the sound quality of this mic. Okay, so let me know what you think about it. Don't forget to subscribe, share this video as well to any of your friends that you know is looking for a budget microphone. Let them come and watch, subscribe, and see the full sound test and know if it's something that they want to also get for themselves. Thank you so much for staying up until this point. Like, this is not my usual content, and this is literally like my first unboxing of something like this. And when I even got my last microphone, I didn't unbox it. So thank you guys so much for watching and staying up until this point. I appreciate you, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.